Equity and inclusion are never achieved without determination and courage and a good critical look in the mirror. The learned society has come a long way, but we are not there yet.
We have a lot we want to achieve at the Learned Society of Wales. One step towards meeting these aims is a forthcoming new women's group, meeting for the first time next month. It is designed to provide a space for women from our fellowship to network, support each other, and suggest ways of encouraging more nominations of women to our fellowship in the future.
This year, more than ever, International Women's Day matters. It reminds us of what we have gained and what we could lose. We must resist all attempts, from the White House or anywhere else, to undo the results of decades of struggle and positive change for women. The change must accelerate. We are not there